Hi, welcome to lesson 4.4, searching and sharing inside of Google Earth Voyager. So let's say we've messed around in Voyager for a while, we've checked out all the different categories, and there's a lot of stuff to sift through and look at, but you're looking for something specific. Maybe it's World War II, or it's about, nature or ecology or whatever it happens to be. So there is a way to search through the Voyager option. So I'm on the Voyager homepage right now. I'm just going to get out of here. I'm going to hit search. And just like we did before when we typed look for a location, let's say I'm interested in Underground Railroad. I start typing underground, and you'll see down here, I'm going to move myself. You'll see down here that there are in here Voyager stories. And so part of the search engine is the Voyager issues here. And it only shows 4, and I can't scroll down through them anymore. So I've got Underground Railroad, Underground Caves, all kinds of different stuff. So you kind of have to start being specific. But let's say I like this one, Underground Railroad. It will take me then automatically to that specific Voyager creation by somebody, and I can make my way there. So move myself back down into the corner here. So I can see here, and again, each one of these looks a little different depending on the person that created it. So again, we've got our Niagara River starting tile here. I can also always, if I click on the Earth, it will zoom back out to the Earth view with all my markers on it. To do that, when I click this here, that flies to that location that I'm going to. And so there it is, drops me in back where I was. And then as I navigate, let's say I go to the next one, this one's set up to fly out, and then move my way back to Chalmette Battlefield in Louisiana and fly back in, which is really cool. So there's how to search and find your way. Now let's say you find what you want. Another cool feature is the ability to share these tours with your students or wherever you want to. So up here in the top right hand corner, the 3 dots in the More button, you can, a couple things here. We can restart the tour from the beginning. You can share only specifically this page. If you find one page you want them to have, maybe the rest don't fit, but you have one thing that's real cool you want them to look around at. Or probably if you find something that's really good, you want to share this story. And so when you do that, it's going to pop up a share link here. You can do the link, where you could drop the link in any tool that you have. But one of the coolest things is it integrates, because it's a Google product, directly with Google Classroom. So you can click on that Google Classroom icon, and you can choose then which class that you're teaching you'd like to share it to. And some of you have probably used that share to classroom, any of those classroom integration features with other tools before. But this one is super, super easy to use. Really a great way to get kids resources and let them explore on their own, student-paced, or if you want to lead it, obviously, teacher-paced on like a projector or something like that. So that's searching and then sharing your Google Earth Voyager adventures.